make stuff out.
Oh my god, what if it doesn't work?
Hey, I still work. Please, God.
Oh my god, nothing.
You armored it.
Nothing's gonna happen.
Oh my god, one. It's like one.
Yeah, Aga, if you mess with her.
That shit is close.
There's nothing even happening.
What are you guys doing?
It's working.
That's until they're gonna blow the state up.
It's gonna work. You should sound so close. Sam, wait for this. Just watch this. Sam. Stay. No, it's gonna explode. Just stay in your car. Yeah.
They're gonna go out.
Alright.
I know, it's not gonna catch.
No problem.
Aga, you stink.
Zip.
No, it went to. Oh! Yeah!
We're all like that. We're all like that.
That was cool. You can't really see it. It's like a campfire.
Go closer. It's not even gonna happen yet. Jen, no.
No, it's
We'll tell
okay.
you when to back out the way.
When that thing blows up,
What's gonna happen? I don't know. We're gonna run.
it's gonna. That thing is gonna go off.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
At the end?
Well, I've never seen that one. Did you guys see all the other ones?
We have a couple up there.
Okay, that's really good that you did that. Well, whoever did it.
We didn't do all of them. We're still. Oh, yeah, true.
Is that the finale, the thing in the middle?
Yeah.
Is it tied in?
Yep. Yep.
Oh,
The Kilo Sunrise?
Yeah. That's the one.
I know.
Should I get closer?
No. Come on. Oh crap.
We went.
It's got a catch.
We stuff from our dorm room, me and my roommate.
Oh.
It's hot. It's hot.
It's like whenever it gets brighter, it's like hell yeah. Oh, dude, that's a big spot right there.
They were like $2 each. They're like tossing. I was like, they're not bad. They're totally worth it.
Do you have a blender?
Oh, that's nice. Oh yeah.
We're not
Uh-oh.
have them, but my friends have them.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Don't worry about it.
You're not allowed to have blenders? For alcohol reasons?
Yeah. Well, and we're not allowed to have like microwaves and stuff. I have an electric kettle.
Wait, you're not allowed to have a microwave?
Not at my school.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Immaculata.
Oh, it's near Westchester.
Westchester.
I always see it when I drive on 202. Ooh.
Oh my god, I'm so afraid of it.
Why are you afraid of it?
I just have a feeling that...
When it gets to the middle, you can run.
Yeah.
It's still good.
This is gonna be a boring video.
It doesn't matter. It's gonna be. We'll speed it up till the end.
Okay.
Wait, we'll tell you when. All right, you should probably be backing up. Wait.
Lunch, move to the left.
James Flower.
Going up it?
Now it's like exploding time.
Nuba. Oh.
I want it to be exploding. I'll try later. It's going up.
Do you use the other ones that like
Mike, it's going up. Come on again. Mike, this is all you. You're the one that.
Nuba. I'll call her back.
There it comes. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Just light. I would just be so happy. Is it lighting?
Oh, 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 oh.
Is it lighting?
Yeah.
Oh, let's go dance. Let's go dance. Wu-Tang. Wu-Tang.